Hello guys. Today's model is based on the tragic incident of Rajendra Nagar library case. Sadly, in which 3 aspirants died. We all should pray for their souls. Let's start our video. Upcoming in this video. Now let's take a look at model. Hello everyone, Komodo Craft. Present you a model on the incident of Rajendra Nagar library. Let's see how it works. When we will press this button given here, this signal will now show that slow rain is going on. When we will put water here, the signal will start to blink faster. And everyone in library gets to know that water level has risen. When the water gets inside the library, a beep sound will start to make noise, and both the signal will start to blink. All the components are kept open here. And this is the connection diagram of all the components.